8:15, early in the morning. I'm about to start off on my red squirrel survey that I'm doing. It involves a lot of standing, being quiet, listening. So while you might not see or hear red squirrels, well, the birdsong's amazing this time of the morning. I thought I'd just share with you this extraordinary array of sounds from birds you can hear if you take your time to stand still and just listen. It's woodpeckers. There we go, that's a woodpecker. Just listen to this. That one you can hear, it sounds like a squeaky gate. Someone going mee, 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 mee. That's a great tit. Actually, somebody else described it as somebody blowing up a paddling pool. There's lots of green woodpeckers up there. Oh, wonderful. Well, that's the end of my squirrel survey. None seen. It's the second one I've done and I still haven't seen any. But there's plenty of evidence that they are here in this forest, even if I can't see them. That's a squirrel chewed pine cone, which normally would look like that. That's all that's left after the squirrels got to it. And it's difficult to tell apparently whether it's red or grey that's eaten it, but in a forest like this, which is all pine and it's upland and it's in Fife, you'd like to think it's red squirrels. But I have one more survey to do after this, so there's still a chance to try and find red squirrels. Not a bad way to spend the morning.